uNkulunkulu wangisondeza kakhulu kubantu abanama resources wonke ukuthi bangivulele iminyango, but wasevala inhliziyo yabo ukuthi bangangivuleli iminyango ngamabomu ukuze mase kufika isizini yami kahle ngibone ukuthi hayi cha bekuyisandla sikaNkulunkulu.
Sunday Devotion with Linda Spiya, Mr. Magic. Sundays 6 to 10 a.m. Kasi FM.
Ndoda kaNkulunkulu.
Mfethu.
Good morning my brother. Uyaphila mfethu?
Ngiyaphila mfethu kodwa kunjani?
No, Thixo unamandla.
Hayi.
Uminathi namanje.
Akekho njengaye.
Bo asiqale le ngoma le. Woza Thixo.
Hey.
Kanti uyibhala okwenzakalani?
No man. In fact lengoma angiyibhalanga. Ingoma lena ekhona nje esemagameni okuhlabelela. So I normally sing this song with my team. Njalo mhlambe ngivule ngayo meso sound checker ngoba so e-studio ngo2020 mangiyo record i-album indlela zakhe. So mesifika e-studio athi lo mfowethu usound engineer.
Sure.
Culani something while ngisetha lana ngicheck.
Sure.
So we sing this song ngoba before siqale siyathi siyakhuleka, so it's our prayer song.
Amen.
So ngivele ngiculela ngoma ngiyenza mawuyilalela kahle iband ngene egcineni because now you realize ukuthi hayibo yazi lento ayibona into ikhula yabo. So ngayicula so I was not aware ukuthi he's recording, you know. So
Sure.
It was our first song nje masivula i-session and later on mesilale ngithi mina nayi into man ngoba kwakuthi it was during COVID-19. So ngase ngithi ngizoyirelease ngebirthday yami which was 14th October. So I never released this song for commercial reasons.
Sure.
It was just a prayer that I want. It's a prayer song.
Sure.
So ngayirelease la nje ukuthi abantu bakhuleke ngayo because wonke umuntu amakholwa angaye enkonzweni. So I wanted to invest this song into the body. Into that. So it became an anthem kubantu abaningi imndeni bakhuleka. So ngiyaye ngikhohlwa kwamina
perform,
akuyona ayifiki ukufika because
ngibe nawe stage but awazi
angikaze ngiyangikhohlwa because I never released it for commercial. It's a prayer song, it's a devotion song. Yeah.
Angibuze lo mbuzo ukuthi yo ebholeni khona umuntu ophatha isikhwama sejersey
Yeah.
kodwa abamazi ukuthi ngalidlala ibhola. Many years my brother.
Yes.
You playing for people.
Yes.
The day ngibona ukuthi u release I'm like no man. Ngafuna abantu ngathi awukene lo mnumzane lo.
Ngiyamazi nje.
Kuwena kubona abantu bese stage and playing for them. Wakwenzakalani kuwena? Uthi I'm waiting for my time. My season is coming.
Kunamandla okulinda isizini yakhe, ekulindeni isizini yakho ngoba asibi khona isandla somuntu othize ozothi ngelinye ilanga nimbone lana nje emini. uNkulunkulu wangisondeza kakhulu kubantu abanama resources wonke ukuthi bangivulele iminyango, but wasevala inhliziyo yabo ukuthi bangangivuleli iminyango ngamabomu ukuze mase kufika isizini yami kahle ngibone ukuthi hayi cha bekuyisandla sikaNkulunkulu bekungawona amandla omuntu othize. Namhlanje la ngikhona bonke abantu engisebenze nabo ngiya-appreciate ukuthi ngibe nesikhathi nabo ngafunda izinto ezithize, but ekutheni khona wangivulela iminyango akekho uNkulunkulu wavula and udumo lonke mengilithatha Mr. Magic bengihamba nawe
ngibona ikeyboard iphathe ikeyboard.
Yes ngishaya ikeyboard kodwa nangelodwa la angizange ngisho ukuthi hayi awungifake lapha
No, never. No, serious. Yeah.
Yes, you know, because I waited for my season. Futhi season yami mayifika ngangayilindele ngoba I never saw myself as an artist. I always saw myself as a producer, as a songwriter, as someone. But uNkulunkulu kwasho ukuthi umekhethile nje wakubamba wakulanda wakunikeza i-unmerited favor wangibeka la ngikhona.
Khona umuntu olalele ngongoma othi bangibona nje as a worshiper in church.
Yes.
But I can sing better than that person. But it's not painful to wait for your time, for your season. Like you're in your winter season, but the summer is around the corner. But you just wanna breakthrough.
Hey, look, akukho lula ukulinda season because uma ulinda summer kanti usakwe winter yabona there's 3 seasons coming seasons in between.
Sure,
yes. And lapho uma kufika enye season phezukwenye abanye remember lamanye ama seasons afikayo awabanye abantu, so you have to clap hands for other people asebefikile ama seasons while you still waiting for your season.
Sure.
uNkulunkulu usuke sa check inhliziyo yakho. Sometimes siqhelelanisa isizini yethu, siyiphushe, siyidudule ngenxa yokuthi siyahluleka ukucelebrate abanye abantu. I celebrated so many people and ngaba congratulate while waiting for my season. So ukugada ukuthi while you wait for your season, inhliziyo yakho, i-posture yenhliziyo yakho ibe sendaweni right, be in good standing with God, so that when your season comes, now kube lula ukuthi, you know what, God, I thank you that my season has come. So while you wait, there's pain in waiting, but while you wait, please celebrate others that have received their season.
So there's pain in waiting, God.
Yes.
You know good now uyazi ithuba lakho.
Yes,
So
ithuba lakho.
ingaba usebhenchini kodwa
Yes.
uyazi ngizolidlala nami
Yeah.
uzothola ithuba lakho.
Uzolithola ithuba lakho.
Sunday Devotion with Linda Spear, Mr. Magic. Sundays, 6 to 10 a.m. Kasi FM.